Now let's solve another question. I had to remove a duplicate from a given list. So you can see we have one list is given. In this list, multiple duplicate values there. You can see 2 is repeated 2 times, 4 is repeated 2 times, right? Now we had to create one list which should contain only the unique value from the given list. How actually we can do that? So what actually I will do first I will try to iterate for I in A and print I if I'll do. I should be able to read each number one by one. Now what I will do, I will create one more list, empty list. Now here I will check the condition if I not in L. If I not in L, then what I will do, I will try to append that number and that number. I'm checking if the number is already appended. If number is already appended into the L, then don't append. So that is the condition we are writing. Now if I'll try to print L, you can see we are getting only the unique value. So that's how we can remove the duplicate. So what is the condition I am checking? I'm reading the number one by one and I'm just appending into the L and I'm checking the condition. If that number is not in this particular list, then only append, otherwise don't append. So that is the condition we have written. So I hope you got the idea. Please do practice.